Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel OMG Tech Info. Today we are bringing you another YouTube related tech video. In this video you can learn how to schedule a video in YouTube. So before starting the video, a small request from our side, please do hit the subscribe button so that it will be helpful for us. So let's start. First of all, open YouTube in your mobile or PC or laptop. It's taking a while, please wait. After opening the YouTube, at the right top of your screen you can see an option called create. Click on it. In that, click on the option called upload video. It will take you to this Classic Studio where you can upload video from your YouTube channel. In that Classic Studio you can schedule the video. It's taking a time, so please wait for a few seconds. Oh man, how much time will you take? Yeah, it's here. So we have to select the file which we want to upload. So click on the select, or we can drag and drop the file to upload. I'm clicking select files. I'll upload this. Open. After selecting the file, it will take you to the basic information which is required for the video. So you have to fill all those. See the details like title, description and everything. You have to fill all this, and you can check the thumbnail, or you can upload any different thumbnail that you want for your video. Here you can select the playlist in which you want to save the video, and here you can select the type of audience who are able to, or whom you will be allowed to see the video, and any age restrictions. You have to click here for more options like tags and paid promotion, subtitles and everything, other details of the video like language of the video and category of the video, everything. If you click on more options, it will be shown. After filling all these details, you have to click on the next button. Here you can add video elements like end screen and cards. End screen and cards are allowed after the processing of the video. At the bottom of left bottom of this, you can see that video is still uploading, not in processing mode. After 100% processing of the video, you will get the options of add screen and cards. You have to keep different videos in add screen and cards so that it will be helpful for growth of your channel. If not required, nothing happens. Visibility is the area where you can schedule a video. So if you scroll down a little bit, you can see an option called schedule here. Click on it and it will show the date and the time when you want to schedule a video. I'll select some date, 22nd, no today, I'll select 22nd, and at 4:30 p.m. I want to schedule at 4:30 p.m. Here is then option called set as premiere. If you click on it, the video will be premiered. There will be nothing more. There will be a 2 minutes countdown before the upload of video, so that it will be attractive for the subscribers, and the notification will be sent when the premiere will start, so that your subscribers won't forget to see the video. So after completion of filling the date and time, and after keeping it as premiere, that's your wish. If you want to keep it as premiere, you can keep. Otherwise, leave it without keeping as premiere. After completion of this, you have to click on the button called schedule. After clicking on buttons called schedule, the video will be scheduled for the time when you want to upload. At the time it will be uploaded. So let's close this and let us see here. This is the video just I uploaded now. Here you can see it is showing a premiere. It is scheduled at 4:30 p.m. so that it will be directly uploaded. If you shut down the laptop, or if you close, there is no Wi-Fi in your home even, it will be directly uploaded without any necessity of internet or opening and again uploading the video. So this is today's video, friends. If you really like the video, please do hit the like button below the video and share our videos to your friends so that the growth of the channel will be more. And don't forget to subscribe our channel OMG Tech Info. We will be bringing you many more YouTube related techs so that it will be helpful for the growth of your YouTube channel. So thank you everyone.